In today's episode, we'll talk about an organic magic fertilizer, which is an excellent source of organic calcium for plants. It can be used as a fertilizer, soil amendment, or pest repellent. We'll talk about the 3 amazing ways this 100% magic fertilizer can be used to help plants and gardening. This white powder is called the MAGIC Fertilizer for a good reason. First, we'll quickly list the 3 very important ways this powder can be used in gardening. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel along with the bell notification. The miraculous MAGIC Fertilizer is writing chalk. Note: no need to go and buy chalk for this specific reason. If you have extra chalk available at home, use these sticks of magic in your garden. 1. pH adjustment. Chalk, also known as calcium carbonate, can be used to raise the pH level of acidic soils. Acidic soils can be detrimental to plant growth as they hinder the availability of essential nutrients. By adding chalk, the alkaline nature of calcium carbonate helps neutralize the soil's acidity, creating a more favorable pH range for plant growth. 2. Calcium enrichment. Chalk is a rich source of calcium, which is an essential nutrient for plants. Calcium plays a crucial role in various plant functions, such as cell wall formation, enzyme activation, and nutrient uptake. Adding chalk to the soil can supplement the calcium content, especially in calcium-deficient soils. 3. Soil structure improvement. Chalk can enhance soil structure by increasing its cation exchange capacity. CEC refers to the soil's ability to retain and exchange nutrients with plants. The calcium in chalk can help flocculate clay particles, reducing their stickiness and improving soil drainage. This process enhances soil aeration, root penetration, and water infiltration, thus promoting healthier plant growth. There are 3 ways to use chalk in your garden. Number 1. Make a powder of chalk and mix that powder in the water and give that liquid fertilizer to your plants. Number 2. Sprinkle that powder directly on top of the soil and mix it with the soil. Number 3. Take a piece of chalk and bury it in the soil. The stick will slowly release calcium in the soil whenever you give water to your plants. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos.